around the globe every day. So here running in now for an impressive, short, sweet display as well, Lieutenant Jim Carver, the air display pilot for the Royal Navy for 2022. Now, some of the looks give it very much the link line, but it's not. It's a redeveloped aircraft completely to do a different job and has some impressive combat capabilities as well, this particular machine. Now, Jim himself trained initially as an aircraft engineering technician and maintained the Sea Kings. On the Mark IV with 848 and 846 Naval Air Station. And while this is going on, I mentioned the Air Force will be back later. Don't forget we've got the Red Arrows at 4 o'clock this afternoon. I suggest you stick around for them as well. But meanwhile, back to what's going on in the air. Jim here also deployed on Telic in ordnance operations in Iraq and of course Herrick in Afghanistan as well, but was eventually selected for the training passed out of Naval College in 2009. Sideways transition while through 303. That's a tricky time, particularly in a northern wind. He'll be fighting with over there, and now rearward transition again. This time to focus on precise supply lines. This from the family of Augusta 159 and Leonardo down in Juneau. New generation helicopter packed with cutting edge sensors and mission equipment. The future anti-service guided weapon program being part of the addition here. The light martlets laser guided rocket system from Thales came in last year, and the heavy radar-guided anti-shipping missile produced by MBDA. And a perfect day to be doing this, but I mentioned earlier on what a tough task this has, operating in the hostile environment of a very heavy, windy, desolate and remote part of the ocean. Here's Jim now repositioning just to give you a little farewell nod, so you can give him a quick wave as well. Not quite finished yet, but he'll drop the nose in just a second. And maybe he'll go up to a little bit higher first as he rotates around that point. Got a huge amount of experience. He's been out in the Middle East and converted to this aircraft in 2017. Deployed with the UK Carrier Support Group to the east coast of the United States and spent over 8 months in the Caribbean conducting humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. So a huge range of activities undertaken by the British Royal Navy around the globe. And here's the nods. We were expecting a really nose down, and he'll descend from that, spiralling at the same time, with the whole windscreen basically full of the ocean, sand in this case. you can see the real agility that you get with this helicopter, but of course all in the hands of very able pilots as well. In this case, Jim is now involved as one of the squadron's qualified helicopter instructors, teaching the next generation of helicopter maritime attack pilots. The British Army also operating wildcats at Yeovilton as well. Slightly different fit, of course. The mission requirement is primarily reconnaissance, or find as they call it in the British Army. Giving you a farewell pass now, Jim Carver and his crew and the team from the Black Cat Royal Navy Air Station, Yeovilton, seeing us off.